So, hi everyone. Hello, ma'am. My topic is all about indirect waste piping, wet vented system, and special waste under section 807 to 813. So, first, what is indirect waste piping? A waste pipe that does not connect directly with the drainage system but the discharges into the drainage system through an air break or air gap into a trap, fixture, receptor, or interceptor. So I have some pictures about indirect waste piping. So next, what is wet vented system? So wet venting is a plumbing term and is a method of protecting the trap on the drain pipe on multiple plumbing fixtures. It is a useful method of venting and can save pipe and fittings time and money. So that is the example of wet vented system. So next, what is special waste? Special waste is any solid waste or combination of solid waste that due to its quantity, concentration, physical and chemical characteristic or biological properties require special handling and disposal. So section 807 appliances. So appliances, devices, equipment or other apparatus not regularly classified as plumbing fixtures equipped with pumps, drips or drainage outlets may be drained by indirect waste pipes discharging into a approved type open receptor. So, and when the condensate waste from air conditioning coils is discharged by direct connection to lavatory tailpiece or to an approved accessible inlet on a bathtub overflow. The connection shall be located in the area controlled by the same person controlling the air conditioned space. So, when undiluted condensate waste from a fuel burning condensing appliances is discharged into the drainage system, the material in the drainage system shall be a cast iron, galvanized iron, plastic, or other material approved for this use. So, exception when the above condensate is discharged to an exposed fixture tailpiece and trap, such tailpiece and trap may be brass. Any materials approved in section 701 may be used when, in the opinion of the administrative authority, condensate waste from fuel burning condensing appliance is diluted either before or under discharge into the drainage system. So no domestic dishwashing machine shall be indirect connected to drainage system of food waste disposer without the use of approved dishwashing air gap fitting on the discharge side of the dishwashing machine. Listed air gaps shall be installed with the food level. So marking at or above the flood level of drain board, whichever is higher. So in this section, it discusses that all appliances should have a drainage waste piping. So next, section 808 cooling. When permitted by the department having jurisdiction Clean running water used exclusively as a cooling medium in an appliance device or apparatus may discharge into the drainage system through the inlet side of a fixture trap in the event that a suitable fixture is not available to receive such discharge. Such trap connection shall be by means of a pipe connected to the inlet side of an approved fixture trap. The upper end terminating in the funnel shape receptacles set adjacent and not less than 152 mm above the overflow rim of the future. So section 809 drinking fountains. Drinking fountains may be installed with indirect waste. So section 810 steam and hot water drainage condenser and sumps. So in this section, it discusses about condensers. So first, what is condenser? So what is the purpose of this condenser? So the condenser is a heat exchanger which removes the latent heat from the exhaust steam so that it condenses and can be pumped back into the boiler. The condensing should be achieved with a minimum of undercooling, reduction of condensate temperature below the steam temperature. Condenser is also arranged so that gases and vapors from the condensing steam are removed. It is also required to reduce the back pressure of and so allowing the greater amount of work to be done by the engine, improving efficiency. So that is about the section 10. So next, um, section 10, 810.2. Some condenser or intercepting tanks constructed of concrete shall have walls and bottom not less than 102 mm thickness, and the inside shall be cement plastered not less than 13 mm in thickness. Condenser constructed of a metal shall be not less than number 12 US standard gauge 2.2 2.77 mm thickness, and all such metal condensers shall be protected from internal corrosion by an approval bituminous coating. So section 10 steel section 10.3, sumps and condensers shall be provided with suitable means of access for cleaning and shall containing a volume of not less than twice the volume of water removed from the boiler or boilers connected thereto when the normal water level of such boiler or boilers is reduced not less than 102 mm. So section 11 or the chemical waste. So a chemical waste is any solid, liquid, or gaseous waste material that, if improperly managed or disposed of, may pose substantial hazard to human health and the environment. Chemical waste and vent system are designed to convey chemical waste to a dilution tank or neutralized basin so the waste may be treated prior to entering the sanitary waste system. The acidity and the corrosiveness of the chemical in the waste stream dictate the piping material, glass, CPVC, polypropylene, or PVDF are among the most commonly used. These systems are typically found in school laboratories, manufacturing plants, research facilities, and hospitals. So, Section 12, Vertical Wet Venting. The purpose of this wet venting is vent pipes supply fresh air to each plumbing fixture in the house, which helps the system move water through the drainage pipe each time a toilet is flushed or sink is drained. Plumbing air vents also prevent sewer gases from entering the home and allow waste, water, gas, and odor to escape. So, sa makita niyo ng mga example nito, yung parang naka yung parang sa drainage system niya mayroong U-pipe, example sa lavatory or sa mga lababo niyo, meron siyang parang U para hindi mag-backfire ang air, ang mga bad air galing dun sa may main pipe talaga, main drainage pipe. So next, Section 13, Special Venting for Island Fixtures. Traps for island sinks and similar equipment shall be roughed in above the floor and shall be permitted to be vented by extending the vent as high as possible, but not less than the drain board height and returning it downward and connecting to the horizontal sink drain immediately downstream from the vertical fixture drain. So that is the example. Run vent loop above the fixture drained outlet. Use drainage fitting below flood rim. So yan. So that's all, and thank you for your time, and thank you for listening.